Good morning, children. Welcome to class 12th biology once again. Children, in a previous video, we were discussing about chapter 4, that is reproductive health. So children, first of all, in this video, we'll recall the main points of the reproductive health, then we'll move forward. Okay. So I think you know very well about reproductive health now. It is physically, mentally, socially well-being in all aspects of reproduction. A definition also given by the WHO, okay, and according to the WHO, the reproductive health means total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and social. Okay, means if a person is physically, emotionally, socially well-being, that means it is reproductive healthy. Okay, clear? Now children, a plan, that is family planning or RCH, that has launched by the government of India to ensure reproductive health to all, means the reproductive health of all citizens of India will improve. For that, the government of India have launched a program, that is family planning and RCH. Okay, first of all, in 1951, family planning program was launched by the government of India. Then later on RCH, that is reproductive and child health care program. Okay, so the main purpose of these program to create awareness. Okay, which type of awareness we'll discuss here. Okay, the aim, just as I told you, the aim of these program is to create awareness among people about the various aspects of reproductive health. Okay, by the use of certain ads like audio visual ads and pamphlets, the government and non-government organization create awareness among the people regarding reproductive health. Okay, so the first thing, that is to create awareness among the people. And how the awareness is created among the people? By using the pamphlets, by using the audio and video ads. Okay, this program, this thing is done by both government and non-government organization, that is NGO. Okay, clear? Next aim of the RCH and family planning is to introduce sex education in school. Okay, if children know very well about the reproductive organ, so that means it will be reproductive healthy. Okay, so that's why in school chapter 3 human reproduction and chapter 4 reproductive health is there, that is introducing sex education in schools. Okay, clear? That is to create awareness among the students regarding reproductive health and reproductive organs. Okay, clear? Now next one, that is another important point of the program RCH, is to provide medical assistance. Okay, medical assistance to the people. They are facing the problem that is related to STD, sexually transmitted disease. Okay, some disease that are transferred during sexual intercourse, and these diseases are known as sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, for example AIDS. Okay, clear? Many are there, we'll discuss in detail in the next topic. Okay, pregnancy. Regarding pregnancy, also provide the medical assistance. Okay, contraception. How can we control on birth? Okay, like contraception is used for birth control. Okay, and infertility. Infertility is inability to produce children. Okay, if a female is infertile, that means it cannot give birth to their young ones. Okay, clear? So it is essential to provide medical assistance to people with problems related to STDs, pregnancy, contraception and infertility, especially in villages. Okay children, this is also important point of the RCH, provide the medical assistance. Okay, next one, that is to provide proper information about reproductive organs, like introducing sex education in the school. We are providing the proper information about reproductive organs. Okay, adolescence and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practice, sexually transmitted disease like AIDS. Okay, these are would help people, especially those in the adolescent age group, to lead a reproductive healthy life. Okay, or society. Children, if the peoples know very well about reproductive organ, safe and hygienic sexual practice, STD, then it lead to a reproductive healthy life. Okay, so that's why by RCH and family planning, the government and non-government organization providing information, okay, about the reproductive organs and STD. Okay, clear? Next that is educating people. Okay, if people will become educate, that means they know very well about the reproductive organ, they know very well about the birth control option. Okay, they will know very well about the care of the pregnant mother and the postnatal care of mother and child. Okay, so that means educate people also. Okay, create awareness among the people and also educate people. Okay, which people? Especially fertile couples. Okay, those in the marriageable age. Okay, marriageable age group, they should know very well about birth control option. Okay, they should know very well about the care of the pregnant mother. Okay, postnatal care of the mother and child. Postnatal means after parturition. After parturition, the care of mother and child, and also about the importance of breastfeeding. Okay, equal opportunity for male and female child. These are the information, okay, should be provided to the fertile couples. Okay, clear about this? Any problem? So we can say that RCH main aim, the main aim of the RCH, that is to create awareness among the people, to educate the people. Okay, introduce the sex education in the schools and provide medical assistance regarding the reproductive health. Okay, clear? These are the main aim of the RCH and family planning. By the use of these important points, we can easily improve our reproductive health and will become reproductive healthy. Okay, so these are certain problems and their solution regarding the reproductive health. Okay, clear? Children, next in the RCH, to implement the better techniques and the new strategies. Okay, if better technique and strategies is apply in the medical science, then it also it also provide more efficient care. Okay, it provide more efficient care and assistance to the people. Okay, some better techniques are there in the modern medical science. Okay, so it is improving nowadays. It should be very good for the peoples, it should be very good for the country. Okay children, now next one, that is a technique, that name is amniocentesis. Okay, amniocentesis is a technique. By the use of this technique we can easily recognize whether the child in the female, whether the child in the embryo is male or female. Okay, by the use of amniocentesis we can easily recognize the child is male or female. Okay, so it is totally banned on this technique amniocentesis. Now in India it is not legal, but in certain strict condition it is legal. Okay, that condition we'll discuss in detail in the upcoming topics. So the technique, that is amniocentesis, a fetal sex determination test. Okay, based on the chromosomal pattern. Okay, by the use of this test we can easily recognize whether the child is male or female. Okay, so that's why RCH suggested that it should be banned in India, because in India mostly people misuse this technique. Okay, that's why it is banned in India. Okay, but certain strict condition it is legal. Okay, now children, the next topic of this chapter, that is population explosion. Okay, population explosion, you know very well that we have discussed in the previous video also. India is a populating country. The population increased day by day. Okay, now approximately, that is 135 crore people in India are there. Okay, so it is a alarming situation. We have a limited resources, but the population is increasing day by day. So in future will suffer from food, from shelter. So to see about our future we should control the population. Okay, some facts are here. Okay, regarding the population, like the world population, which was around 2 billion. Okay, around 2 billion in 1900. Okay, at the time of 1900 the world population is around 2 billion, but it is rocketed to about 6 billions at the end of 2000. Okay, at the end of 2000 the population increase rocketed. Okay, 6 billion from 2 billions. So that is massive growth in the population. Okay, and this is the population explosion. Okay, population explosion. If we talking about our country, then at the time of independence 1947 the population is around 350 million, but it is 1 billion in 2000. So it is massive growth in the population. Okay, so if will not control on population, in future will suffer from many problems. Okay, how can we control the population? First of all, the reason of increasing population. Okay, what are the suggesting reason for increasing population? See here, the first one reason, that is all round development in the various field. Okay, all round development in the various field, like improve the quality of the life of people. Okay, now the hospitals are good, doctor are available there. Okay, so the quality of the people's of life will increase there. Okay, health facilities also increase. Okay, in the hospitals, in the city, in villages also. So increase the health facilities is one of the most important reason to increase the population. And better living condition also, better living condition, increase health facilities, improve the quality of life, these are some suggesting reason for growth of the population, or we can say that these things an explosive impact on growth of population. Okay, clear? The first thing, the first reason for increasing population, that is all round development, like improve the quality of life of the people, increase the health facilities, better living condition. Okay, these are reason. And also that is a rapid decline in death rate. Okay, the death rate has become low as compared to the previous years. Okay, the peoples are survive better as compared to the previous years. Okay, so the a rapid decline in the death rate, that is MMR, maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate, that is the female death rate during parturition. Okay, during parturition the female survive better nowadays, but in ancient time or previous time the female suffer at that time. Oh, they could be die. Okay, so the maternal mortality rate is increased nowadays due to the better facilities, better techniques. Okay, and also increase in the also infant mortality rate. Okay, infant mortality rate, that is the death rate of the infant newborn baby. Okay, is also decreased. Nowadays the better health facilities are here, better techniques are here, modern machines are here, so due to that the infant is survive better as compared to the previous years. Okay, clear? So MMR and IMR is decline there nowadays. Okay, so it is also a reason for increasing population. Okay, next reason for the population explosion, that is increase in number of people in reproducible age. Okay, the number of person is more nowadays in the reproducible age. Okay, children, India is a young country. Okay, India is young country, so in India the more number of people in the reproducible age, that's why we can say that it is also a reason for increasing the population. Okay, clear? Now these are some suggesting reason for increasing the population. Now if population explosion will be like that in the future, so it is an alarming growth rate. Okay, it is really critical, will face many problem in the future. So regarding the basic requirement like food, shelter, clothing will face a very big problem if the population increase day by day. Okay, so a need that is to control the population. And how can we control the population? The government was forced to take a serious measure to check this population growth rate. Okay, the government have taken certain steps, but this is not enough. The government have to take certain steps also. Okay, see here what the steps have taken by the government. The government have motivate the families for to have a child. Okay, the government has motivate the peoples to smaller families. Okay, how can the people have the smaller families? By using the contraceptive methods. Okay, by using contraceptive methods the peoples can easily have a smaller families. Contraceptive methods, that is how can they control on the birth. Okay, in this birth control options are there. Some are natural birth control options, some are artificial birth control option. Okay, in contraceptive methods, that we'll discuss in the next topic. Okay, about the contraceptive methods. So by use of contraceptive methods the peoples have smaller families. Next one, that is government have given certain slogans, that is हम दो हमारे दो और बच्चा एक ही अच्छा. These slogan have given by the government, okay, to motivate the peoples. Okay, clear? Now next one, that is the government have taken action on the age of the people's marriageable age. The first of all, the marriageable age is very low, but now the marriageable age for the female is 18 years and for male that is 21 years. Okay, clear? This is also a step to control on the population. Clear? Any problem regarding that? So children, in this topic we have discussed about the reproductive health, their problems, and how can we improve the reproductive health, and also population explosion and how can we control on population explosion. Okay, we'll discuss birth control in the next topic. Okay, next video.